You may have heard time and time again about the importance of having breakfast. Breaking your overnight fasting period, replenishing your supply of glucose, providing other essential nutrients, and keeping your energy levels up throughout the day are just some of the benefits of having breakfast. But did you know it can help in weight loss too? Studies have found that having a healthy and regular breakfast can help you lose weight in the long run. And in today's video, we'll tell you the healthiest foods for breakfast that can aid you in losing weight. From oatmeal to eggs and many more. Keep watching to find out what they are. Number 1. Berries. Berry varieties such as strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries are all incredibly nutrient-dense, meaning they are low in calories but packed with essential nutrients. In addition to providing many important vitamins and minerals, berries are rich in fiber, which can reduce your hunger and food intake. Studies have found that swapping a high-sugar afternoon snack for a serving of mixed berries can reduce calorie intake later in the day by an average of 133 calories. Each daily serving of berries has also been found to be associated with about 1 pound of weight loss over a 4-year period. You can add berries to your morning smoothie, oatmeal, or yogurt to take advantage of their unique weight-busting benefits. Number 2. Oatmeal. Oatmeal can help you lose weight in 2 ways. First, it's packed with fiber, which can keep you feeling fuller longer. Second, it's made up of slow-release carbohydrates, and a recent study found that eating breakfast made with slow-release carbohydrates, such as oatmeal or bran cereal 3 hours before you exercise, may help you burn more fat. So, which oatmeal is the best for you to lose weight? Nutritionally, it doesn't matter if it's steel-cut or rolled. But try to stay away from instant oatmeal as they're not as nutrient-dense. Go for organic or non-GMO, and then choose one you actually like. Number 3. Eggs. Eggs can be one of the most popular and healthy breakfast foods to lose weight on our list. They are rich in protein and selenium, which have been shown to increase fullness, reduce your food intake later in the day, and aid weight loss. Eating eggs for breakfast has been shown to significantly increase feelings of fullness and reduce food intake later in the day compared to eating a bagel. Similarly, replacing a bagel breakfast with eggs has resulted in 65% more weight loss and 34% greater decrease in waist circumference over an 8-week period. Whether you like having them boiled, poached, or as an omelet with vegetables, eggs not only make a delicious breakfast, but could also help you shed some pounds too. Number 4. Coffee. This might be a surprise entrant on our list. A lot of you may not consider coffee as a breakfast food that can help you lose weight, but it does. Recent studies have found that drinking a cup of coffee can actually help you lose weight by stimulating brown fat, the fat in your body that keeps you warm, and burning calories. Another reason that caffeine may help in weight loss is because it increases your metabolic rate. The higher your metabolic rate, the easier it is for you to lose weight and the more you can eat without gaining a few pounds. However, it's important for you to remember the side effects of too much caffeine, which include anxiety, insomnia, and digestive issues, just to name a few. Black coffee is best for weight loss as long as you don't mix it with milk or sugar. Number 5. Black beans. Black beans are packed with soluble fiber, which is a powerful belly fat fighter. Beans will not only fill you up for hours, but also help you slim down. Studies have found that a 10-gram increase in soluble fiber consumed daily can lead to reduced belly fat by almost 4% over 5 years. For breakfast, you can make a Southwestern-inspired omelet filled with black beans, salsa, and non-dairy cheese. Number 6. Bananas. Bananas are high in fiber, which can help you feel fuller for longer. Unripe bananas also contain resistant starch, which can help decrease your food intake and belly fat. Multiple studies have found that upping the intake of fiber from fruits and vegetables is associated with increased weight loss. You can add chopped bananas to your yogurt, oats, or smoothies for a nutritious breakfast. Number 7. All-natural peanut butter. While processed peanut butter is filled with sugar and waist-widening oils, you'll be surprised to know that the real stuff is made with just 2 ingredients: peanuts and salt. This legume is filled with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and genistein, a compound that downregulates fat genes. The best way you can eat peanut butter in the morning is in the form of a smoothie. Take 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk and blend it with 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder, half a banana, and 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. This drink can be a simple way to start your day with a perfect balance of healthy fats, protein, and carbohydrates to replenish glycogen stores and promote muscle growth, without an overabundance of calories, which is important if you're looking to lose weight. Number 8. Yogurt. Yogurt is a delicious and refreshing way to start your morning. Eating high-protein yogurt can reduce your hunger throughout the day. In a study, it was found that people who ate at least 7 servings of yogurt each week had a lower risk of obesity compared to people who did not regularly consume yogurt. Another recent report revealed which foods are correlated with weight change, including the top 5 foods that promote weight loss, and yogurt was one of them. Pick a fat-free yogurt like Greek, which will give you a boost of protein. You can try elevating the nutrients in your yogurt by including nuts, berries, or chia seeds. Number 9. Chia seeds. Chia seeds may be tiny and relatively tasteless, but they pack a huge punch when it comes to trimming off some extra weight. For one thing, chia seeds are high in fiber and can absorb water really well to form a gel. This gel then expands in your stomach and can help you stay full for longer. You can add chia seeds to just about anything, but they work best with smoothies, overnight oats, or a breakfast parfait. Make sure you let the mixture sit for a while so that the chia seeds have time to swell. Number 10. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is a common part of many diet plans, and for good reason. A single study showed that eating half a grapefruit before bed can trigger significant weight reduction compared to a controlled set. In fact, participants who ate grapefruit lost an average of 3.5 pounds, which is approximately 5 times greater compared to the control group. In another study, consuming grapefruit or lemon juice before dinner for 12 weeks and pairing it with a low-calorie diet was shown to decrease body fat mass by about 1%, increase weight loss by about 7%, and decrease calorie intake by 20 to 29%. Fresh grapefruit slices can make a wonderful addition into a well-rounded breakfast. You can even add grapefruit to parfaits, smoothies, or fruit salads. Number 11. Nuts. Nuts offer the ideal balance of heart-healthy fats, protein, and fiber, making them a perfect addition to your breakfast. Research has shown that including nuts in a Mediterranean diet decreases your weight by a lot. Another study compared the impacts of a low-calorie diet with 84 grams of almonds daily to a low-calorie intake with complex carbs. Both breakfast diets had equal amounts of proteins and calories. By the end of 6 months, participants who included almonds had lost 56% more body fat and 62% more weight compared to those who had complex carbs. Remember that nuts are also rich in calories, so it's important to limit yourself to about 28 grams per serving to avoid extra calories. Mix a serving of nuts into homemade granola, cottage cheese, or yogurt to make it a nutritious breakfast that allows you to lose weight. Number 12. Green tea. Green tea is a significant ingredient in most fat-burning supplements and diet pills. It's been studied widely for its fat-burning and metabolism-boosting capacities. A study discovered that consuming 3 capsules of green tea extract improved fat burning by 17% within half an hour. Another study revealed that green tea extract increased the speed of metabolism. It also boosted the burning calories over a day by 4%. A similar study discovered that drinking a beverage that has calcium, caffeine, and particular compounds present in green tea 3 times a day improved the number of calories burned each day by 106 calories. So there is enough evidence to prove that you can lose weight fast with green tea. There are numerous ways to have your green tea for breakfast. Try squeezing a lemon, adding some honey, and including some ginger or mint when making your green tea. Number 13. Avocado. Avocados are one of the best weight loss foods on the planet. They contain nearly 20 vitamins and minerals in every serving, including oleic fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce abdominal fat. Avocados are also a good source of fiber and healthy fats, which can help you feel full for longer periods of time. You can use this green fruit to make avocado toast or bake an egg in half an avocado. Do you eat any of these foods for breakfast? Has it helped you lose weight? Let us know in the comments below. Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait, what kind of bestie are we if we don't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video and enjoy.